Hi everybody, welcome back to a new episode. Today we'll have an analysis of three of our most recent transactions. First one, it's Adil. Okay, it's Adil Pharmaceuticals. This is a biotechnology company. You got to be very careful about these companies. Why? Because they are quite reactive and at the same time unpredictable during the trades. This one, it's a micro market cap, and also it's got only 7 employees, but we've got to look here. Okay, this figure is quite important. Why? They have a debt of minus 11 million US dollars. Okay, that is something like triple the market cap. At the same time, they got a micro float. When we got a micro float, so it's below 5 million, this means that the trend can be very reactive when the market will open. We have transacted this company, okay, I'll explain more today, here, okay, on 23 of July. So it went from 1.07 to a max 3 during the intraday, but it has opened at 1.53. What has happened here? It had an engulf, so you can see the engulf. This is a shadow pattern. It's quite easy, okay, to see it. You have to look here for the volume, and it went up, didn't went down, as I told you. Generally they are going to 3. If they are opening below 3, they don't have enough range, so you got to be very careful and have enough patience in order for this one to increase. This is not happening every day, but this is kind of a special case. Why? Because this has opened below 2, so never trade below 2 when it's about penny stocks especially. So it went up when the market is open from 1.6 to 3, and we have entered here from 2.54, and our target was right here. Because the pressure from this volume here and also the range was enough, we let it go after 10.30, so it went directly to the target. The next one was Serv Robotics, special industrial machinery. Okay, this is quite a serious company. It's got 582 million as a market cap and 23 million in float. But we had a small engulf here. The company, let's have a look on this company here. This is a runner. What is a runner? It's got a run, simple as that. So the price has to increase at least 3 days in a row, and the volume has to increase from day 1 to day 2 to day 3. Okay, higher and higher. This has happened from 8.5. This went to a max 24. So 3 times, okay, from here to here. And on 30 of July, okay, simple as that, you can see all the data here. On 30 of July, it has opened with quite large volume to 85 million, close to 3 million, and it went a little bit up. We have entered here, okay, when they had a confirmation, and our target was the first consolidation. Is right here, so it exited at 18. The range was enough profit. What was below was not our money, so it's not your money. Just get out, take the profit. Most of you are quite greedy, and greedy is your main enemy. And the last one is Silo. Okay, this one here, this is another runner, but not a complete runner, so it went up from 0.9. These are very dangerous ones. Sometimes when there's enough volume in the market, they are going 10 times from, for example, from 0.9 to 9.6. This has happened in February to March and maybe April 2024, this year. So this went from 0.9 to 4.44 max. Okay, so it went 5 times, 500%, okay, 5 times. This is generally, if you are speaking about statistical terms, please always do tracking, because I'm always do tracking, and the patterns, the shadow patterns, are based on statistics and mathematics. It's very simple. Okay, so you got to find at least 150 similar cases to what you are trading in that day in order to be confirmed as a shadow pattern. So it's from 0.9 to 448, and you got to see how it has opened. So we got zero here, and zero, just a sec. Hope we don't get lost. No, it's not this trade here. Just a sec. $18. Okay, it was this one here. Okay, it went up with a gap. Whenever you are trading during the day, please use the 5 minutes. Okay, right here. And if you make an analysis over each stocks, please look on the last 5 days. Okay, so this is open with 2.3 million, but the range was very small. It didn't went to 3, but it went quite up and never short. Okay, most of our trades are short trades. Okay, it went quite up from 237 to 431. And it has developed this trend here. When exited the trade, we have entered right where it has exited the trade, right here. Okay, it has developed, let's say we were minus here a little bit, it has developed a long trap, and we close it down here, right here, because it was too late and I didn't like how it has developed in this area here. Too much volume, too high, and we had a little trap here. So we exited a small profit from 397 to 359. I invite you to trade together with us. We have an amazing team, and you can find on Stockforce One amazing courses. Don't forget to like, to follow, and comes to Stockforce One, the best platform in the world. Sincerely, Daniel out.